Join us as we explore the inner workings of network switches, essential devices for managing and directing data traffic in local area networks, LANs. We'll break down the basics, types, and functions of switches, making it easy to understand how they keep your network running smoothly. Perfect for tech enthusiasts and networking beginners. Welcome to Eton Technology. Today, we're diving into the world of network switches. Whether you're setting up a home network or managing an office setup, understanding how switches work is crucial. Let's get started. A network switch is a device that connects multiple devices within a local area network, LAN, and uses packet switching to forward data to its destination. Unlike a hub, which broadcasts data to all connected devices, a switch sends data only to the device that needs it. Switches operate at the data link layer, layer 2, of the OSI model. When a device sends data, the switch reads the destination address in each packet, then forwards it to the appropriate port. This reduces collisions and improves overall network efficiency. There are various types of switches: unmanaged, managed, and PoE, Power over Ethernet switches. Unmanaged switches are simple plug-and-play devices, while managed switches offer advanced features like VLANs and QoS. PoE switches can deliver power and data over the same cable, useful for devices like IP cameras and VoIP phones. Inside a switch, you'll find a fabric that connects the ports, allowing data to travel quickly between them. Switches also have MAC address tables, which store the MAC addresses of connected devices and the corresponding ports, enabling efficient data routing. Switches offer several benefits: increased network performance, reduced collisions, and better management of data traffic. They also provide enhanced security features, such as port security and VLANs, which can segment and isolate network traffic. Setting up a switch is straightforward. Connect your devices using Ethernet cables, power on the switch, and it's ready to go. For managed switches, you can log into the web interface to configure settings like VLANs and QoS. Switches are used in various environments. In homes, they connect devices like computers, printers, and smart TVs. In offices and data centers, they manage larger networks, ensuring reliable communication and data transfer. Common issues with switches include connection problems and data flow issues. Ensure cables are properly connected, check for firmware updates, and verify that your switch's settings align with your network requirements. Managed switches offer advanced features such as VLANs, which can segment your network for better management and security, QoS for prioritizing critical data traffic, and link aggregation for increasing bandwidth by combining multiple ports. In summary, network switches are essential for efficient and secure data communication within a LAN. Whether you're using a simple unmanaged switch or a feature-rich managed switch, understanding their operation can help you optimize your network. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights from. Check out our other videos for more tech guides and tutorials.